Hi, good morning. I love your license plate, and I wanted to give this to you. If I can get it. Have a nice day. Actually, here, we all have one. Class 3. Have a nice day.
You want something to eat or to drink? Do you want something to eat or to drink?
I'm trying to skip out some change to get to the homeless shelter. We need
Okay.
sandwich or something.
Okay, no, I don't have any change, so...
Yeah, chicken sandwich or something.
Okay, I will see. Thank you. Here. Enjoy it, man.
Thank you very much. I will.
Here.
Just gonna move him over. It's a baby. I don't know if they can spray it or not.
Was it hit? Did he get hit by a car, you think, or just abandoned?
Pardon?
Did he get hit by a car, you think?
No, he didn't. He just he was sticking to the side over there and he couldn't get over the curb, so
Where do you think he should be, on this side or this side?
probably this side. There's just water on that side, so. Oh, wait. I don't want to squish you.
There you go.
There you go. Look.
I just don't want you to get bit.
Yeah, he's still too releasing.
There you go.
Good job.
Thanks.
Hey, your suit looks good, bro. Dude, looking nice. Alright, bro.
Come on, brother. Oh, where are you going?
Hey. Hey, how are you? I just had a couple things with me that I might help you out. I've seen you out here because I've been commuting to work and stuff. So I have a few things. One thing that I know you'll probably be okay with is a little bit. I just have a little bit of food and water. If that might be something that can help you out. And this is going to sound a little weird, but I have a brand new pair of hiking boots that I had gotten for someone, and a guy that used to stand out here, and I haven't seen him for a long time now. So he's a smaller guy, but they might fit you. So I want to give this to you either way, just a little bit of food and water, okay? But I want you to see if these boots might fit you, then I'd love for you to have them, you know? And on top of that, I got some nice thick socks for you as well. So I know it's been so cold, but I want you to have these if you'd like to have them. You know, and they're brand new and everything. I got them for Alan, and I think those are going to fit just fine with some nice socks on, and you'll be nice and warm. You think you'd like them? Okay. Well, if you want, you can have this whole bag and everything just like this, so you can carry it. But I just want you to have those, and those are actually donated. The money to buy them was donated to a funding website that I have set up to help the homeless here in Durham. So, you know, that's from somebody else on the internet.
You alright? You alright, mate? Are we getting him up or?
I was doing, but you're getting a bit dirty. You alright? Oh yeah. Your back bad or? Are you sure? Yeah.
Sit him up or?
Okay. After 3. 1, 2, 3. You're alright there?
You got it.
Yeah, into the back is, yeah, we'll get him in a sec. You're alright now?
sir. You have a good day.
Hey, you need some help? Hey, you need some help, man? You need some help?